Your GoPro 10 is overheating, or it's shut down because it's overheating. So here's my solution. So far so good, we're going to see how it works. You got the GoPro 10. It's got the media mod on it, which is the box that goes around the camera. Showing no battery. Showing that it doesn't have a battery. But it's still recording. It's been recording for 20 seconds now. A minute, 20 seconds now. This power cord here is going to an external battery. So there's no battery in the camera. Taking the camera and taking the battery out. And I'm using this external battery as power. And it's plugged into this. And then the reason that I have the media mod is here for an external mic. I can plug in there and have power plugged in there. The external mic is over here. It's a ceramic mic. So all I had to buy was this external battery and this deal to hold it. I had one that would hold my iPhone, but it wasn't strong enough or wide enough to hold that battery. So I had to buy this, which has a screw-in deal on the top for this microphone attachment here. You don't need that if you don't have a microphone. To be, 2 amp or something, I don't know. The first one I plugged into the camera told me it wasn't the right battery. You have to have a 2 amp battery or something. But it works. And hopefully it won't overheat now. We're going to try this little experiment. And problem solved, hopefully. I'm not your go-to expert on anything, any electronics at all. Don't say that you watched a guy on YouTube and he bought this and did this and that's how it worked, because I don't know. All I know is when I remove that battery out of that GoPro, it's hot. So having an empty chamber in there should allow that heat to disperse better, and I'll be pulling my power off an external battery, hopefully. You know why your GoPro 10 is overheating? You know why GoPro says it's overheating? Because it's not meant to be stationary like this. It sits right here for whatever, an hour or 2 hours trying to record me sawmilling a log. It's not meant to be stationary. It's meant to be moving. You're meant to be getting wind through here and underneath and cooling it off while it's moving. But me strapping it to my helmet and bicycling down a mountain is not an option. But I need a camera that will record in motion like that for when I strap it onto the tractor or I'm falling trees or I'm out in the woods, doing something, moving around. But here I need a stationary camera. It's not fulfilling my needs for a stationary camera because it's overheating all the time. So hopefully this setup will solve the stationary overheating. Now I know I can't take this and this and this and this and all this stuff out in the woods and be walking through the woods and walking around with it and moving like that. For that, I'll just throw the battery in here, take the camera with me, and I'll just have this little camera, and it's great. There we go, GoPro 10, overheating. So we got an external battery, we're gonna see how it works. Cedar log, 8'6" long. Oh wow, 7.5 inches. And we're gonna see if we can get a 4x4 out of the middle of that, hopefully. And this cut should take out this way in here. There's your nice purple 4x4 cedar. It was like 2.5 hours of recording, and the GoPro just, I don't know if it was recording or not, but it just kind of locked up. But here's the 4x4. Okay, so let's see how the battery's doing. I wonder how So I restarted it and got it going again. But it wasn't off for 5 minutes. So 2.5 hours with the external battery. Still going good. No overheating problems anymore. Hopefully. We're going to try recording from back there. Right now I'm going to take a break, so you're going to watch 15 minutes of me smoking a cigarette. How about that? Well, it probably won't be 15 minutes, but it'll be 5 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes. Oh, man. What's it say? What's it say the temperature is? 75. Feels like 78. No, high 78. So it's going to be 80. It's 80 today. And the GoPro's still working. 3 hours. So I'm going to leave this running. I'm going to go get some tea. But I'm going to go ahead and leave it running. See what the dogs do. Probably just lay there. That fire's still going. You still recording? Good. Oh, I hope you are. You should be. Let's see. You're in the sun now. Back here in the sun. Trying to heat up. But you're still recording. 25 minutes. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so that was just that wasn't even really a shut off. I just stopped it to see if it was recording and then started up again. The small line's actually a little hard. That's okay. 4x4. Just to finish off the top row of that pile, so I'll have an extra one. You ever use these little wipes on your glasses? With this sawmill, you gotta have something over your eyes for the dust. So I wear these little glasses with the liner on the inside to keep the dust out, kind of. It really works. It really look nice. And I've always thought that these little, whatever they are, you know, probably alcohol wipes or something. I thought that was a little rip-off. Man, I'm telling you, these little wipes on your glasses is a must. I mean, with these little pre-moisturizer, lens cleaning towelette. It's one of those other must-haves. Gloves, glasses, lens cleaners, steel-toe boots. They're all must-haves out here, in my opinion. And of course, you probably don't want my opinion. I'm just trying to kill time recording this GoPro 10 overheating. It should have, then it would have overheated. I don't know how many times by now, when I've been through, and it's been recording since 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 15. It's been recording 3 hours and 20 minutes now. 11, 18. 3 hours and 20 minutes now. I'd have never went that long. And I don't know how many batteries. I probably went through 3 batteries, 4 batteries now. And I'd have lost half of my shots because the battery shut off. You know, it shuts off. And I don't know that it's shutting off. When I'm running the mill, you can't hear that little thing beeping. But that external battery is really doing its job. However, I was filming this so that I could find out how long that external batteries would last. We're not going to find that out today. I'm going to shut down here for lunch, and then I got to babysit, and then I'll come back, and I want to have some stuff this afternoon. I want to film. I got picking up a lumber order, and I want to film that if I can. And I don't ever film very rarely film any lumber going out of here. It's all just milling. So I want to get a couple shots of some lumber going out of here. So I'm going to take that in. There, and this one, 4x4. The door straight. these heavy winds. What the hell's going on there? What the hell is over that wind? Well, that was weird. I don't know what that was all about. I guess I'll find out when I get in the house, but you can only see like there's a big curved line in the video. You can only see parts of it. I'll set you back here in the sun again, where you can heat up. See if you're recording. See if you got a good screen. It's good to me. It's noon. Time to go eat. So I'm going to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You've been running for 4 hours. Okay. The GoPro is, with the external battery, has been recording for 4 hours. Let me show you around me. Let me show you what you look like, huh? Does that work? Can you see what you look like? I don't know if you can see what you look like or not. Oh, not really, huh? There you go. Now you can see what you look like, if you can see in that camera. So anyway, you've been recording like that for 4 hours. No overheating. But I have had a lot of shut-offs. And I think it's that cord that's loose. The cord going into the media, the power cord going into the media mod is loose, I think. That's what's doing it. So I'm going to go see if I can take you inside and see if I can get a cord that fits in there tighter. I think it's just the cord. But I'm going to charge these batteries. I think ceramic batteries are half full. I think we've proved that the GoPro isn't going to get too hot recording. That external battery is good. You got 4 indicators and you're still on 4. So it still says that external battery's full. So I'm going to leave it like that. But I am going to charge my ceramic mics and go in and eat some lunch because I'm hungry. And I'm not going to leave you recording out here because you're not obviously not overheating. You're good to go there. You just need a good, better power cord. I can, I think, cord from the back of the GoPro. This is a ceramic cord for the mic. But now you're recording off the media mod mic. The media mod little case that goes around the GoPro. And you're recording off that. Let's go. I'm going to take you inside. Because while I'm eating lunch, I'm going to see what footage I got on this disc. And see why it's repairing files all the time. Maybe I need to update my GoPro software or something. And maybe it's just that this cord's loose. But I'm going to get a new cord and there's wide open. There's 2-inch pine. It's pretty wide stuff. There's the case for 40. It is now running. Starter's in it and it fires up and it's good to go. Well, not good to go. It's got a lot of work to do. It's got hydraulic arms that are 40 years old. It's got a cylinder that leaks like a sieve. It's got a power steering pump that leaks. Needs an oil change. There's the big 1700. There's the lawnmower. It's 12 by 12. 6 by 12s over there. Hopefully. Alright, there's flags. Head to the house.